Hello dear friends, this video is made to show how to use your mobile as a web camera. So that is very easy. All we need is the data cable, which is the USB cable. Next we need an Android phone, and the next thing we need is one app known as Droid Cam. Okay, so first of all we'll go to Play Store. There we are going to search for Droid USB webcam. So you can see Droid Cam wireless webcam. Okay, so this app we have to install. It's a totally free app. So after installation it will open like this. Now the next thing you need to do is you have to install the software for it, and for that purpose the remaining part I will show in the system. So now we have to do some settings in our mobile so that we can conveniently access the our mobile as a web camera. So for that purpose, two things we have to do. Thing number one is we have to open the developer mode of the system of our mobile. Now this developer mode is pretty hidden thing. Okay, you cannot open it just like any app. So for that purpose what you have to do is you have to go to settings. Okay, in the setting you have to go on about phone. Okay, and you have to see things are different from mobile to mobile. What you need to see is Android version or MIUI version. Okay, so you have to tap on it 7 times. 1 2 3 4. Now you can see this screen is coming 4 5 6 7. Now you are a developer. This option is enabled. Okay, as I said, system to system, mobile to mobile, things are different, right? So now I will go to the special features, sorry, additional settings, and in the additional setting I will go downside, and there is developer options are enabled now. So I will click on it. After clicking here I have to search for USB debugging. Okay, so USB debugging is on. By default it is off. I have to click it so it becomes on. Okay, so allow. This setting is to be done. This setting is to be done so that we can connect very easily. Now again we are going to go to our system. So now I have opened a browser window in my desktop. Now in Google I will search for Droid Cam Client. Please note down the name. It is Droid Cam Client. Okay. So this open that first link dev47.com that we have to click. Okay, and then this Droid Client version 3.6.3.1 that we have to install. Okay, we will download and install. So installation is fairly very simple process. Nothing much is required actually. Just double click and next. So it is asking me, well, okay. So this is for its installation. Okay. Now for the connection, we have to do some settings in our mobile. So I am going to switch to my mobile now. So now in my system, the Android CAN setup file has been downloaded. I'm going to open it and I'm going to install the client. Okay. So the process is very simple. Okay. Just within 2 minutes it will be installed. It doesn't take much time. Now I'm going to open this, which is installed in my system now. Now it will show some options. The first option is for Wi-Fi. Go to USB, connect through USB. I will choose this option. Okay, then I have to click on the refresh button once. Okay, so at this time you may get some message in your mobile. You have to allow it. If you get any message on your mobile, you have to allow, because then only you will be able to use your mobile. So now you can see that the name of my mobile device is displayed in this box. I will click on video and audio so that my phone can capture the video and audio from my mobile. And now I have to click the start button. And you can see that my mobile is working as the web camera. Okay. You can open the sound settings and you can check very well whether the sound is reflecting there or not. Okay. So this is the simple method by which you can use your mobile phone as the web camera. Thank you for watching. Please give some views in the comment section, and also subscribe and like if you really like the video. Thank you very much.